Hi students, welcome back to E-Class. We are continuing the chapter, The Story of Village Palampur. Previous class we had discussed about farming activities of Palampur. Today's class let us will discuss about non-farm activities in Palampur. Okay, you know the children, farming is the main production activity in Palampur. And previous classes we had discussed that how farming is the main production activity in Palampur. Okay, today's class let us will discuss about non-farm activities of Palampur. See, in Palampur, 25% of the people are working in different activities. Means 25% of the people working in Palampur are engaged other than non-farm activities. Some of the non-farm activities are dairy, small scale manufacturing, shopkeepers of Palampur, transportation. Okay, these four are the major non-farm activities in Palampur. Okay, children, now let us will discuss about the four major non-farm activities in Palampur. Okay, first one is dairy. Dairy is the after farming activity. Dairy is the other common activity in Palampur. Okay, people who are having fields, they have buffaloes. Buffaloes feed their buffaloes in their fields. Okay, grass, jowar, bajra, these all are the different things they are giving to the buffaloes. And most of the people, those who are having fields, they are maintaining buffaloes. That's why after farming, dairy is the another major activity in Palampur. People sold their milk in Raiganj. Okay. People sold their milk in Raiganj. And two traders, means especially two traders of Shahpur, they are maintaining collection and chilling centers. Collection and milk chilling centers in Shahpur. And traders are collecting the milk from Palampur, and they are maintaining the collection centers as well as chilling centers. Okay, children. First one, dairy is the another common activity in Palampur. The second activity in Palampur. Okay, children, are you following? Previous classes we had discussed that farming activities of Palampur. Today's class we are discussing about non-farm activities in Palampur. In non-farm activities, first one, dairy. Dairy is the major non-farm activity in Palampur. And people are maintaining the buffaloes, and they are selling the buffalo milk in different places, especially in Raiganj. They are collecting the buffaloes' food from their fields, grass, jowar, bajra, these are all the different food items they are collecting from the fields. Next non-farm activity in Palampur is an example of small scale manufacturing in Palampur. Small scale manufacturing in Palampur. Okay, less than 50 people are depending on small scale manufacturing in Palampur. Less than 50 people. They are depending on small scale manufacturing in Palampur. Okay, along with the dairy and farming activities, some of the people are maintaining small scale industries. Small scale industries. Some potteries are there. Some cottage industries are maintaining in their houses. This is the another activity in Palampur. Okay, here we'll take two people example in Palampur. One is Mishri Lal. Mishri Lal is maintaining mechanical sugarcane crushing mission. Mechanical sugarcane crushing mission. Okay, with this mechanical sugarcane crushing mission, he is cutting the sugarcane with the machine. But actually, previously they used bullock carts to crush the sugarcane. But now they are maintaining the sugarcane crushing missions to crush the sugarcane. Okay, Mishri Lal is maintaining the mechanical sugarcane crushing mission. Okay, people, those who want to crush the sugarcane, they are using the sugarcane crushing missions to crush the sugarcane. That is one Mishri Lal. And second one is Karim. Second example, Karim. Karim also depending on small scale manufacturing industry. Karim is maintaining computer class center. People, those who are going to the schools in Palampur, they are going to the computer classes in Raiganj. Those who are studying degrees, and they are going to the Raiganj to learn the computer classes. But in Palampur, Karim is maintaining the computer class. In Palampur, two women are there, two ladies are there, those who completed degree and those who have some basic idea about computer knowledge. With these two women, Karim is maintaining computer class center. Karim is providing job opportunity to the people, as well as he is maintaining the computer basic knowledge to the Palampur village people. But previous Palampur students, they are going to the Raiganj to learn the computer classes. But now, when Karim started the computer classes, and people, those who are, students who are, that means children of Palampur, they are going to the Karim computer classes to learn the computer basic knowledge. Like these two are the two different examples. And third non-farm activity is shopkeepers of Palampur. Actually, some people are maintaining small shops in Palampur. Okay, people are going to different towns, Raiganj, like the different towns are they are going to the towns and they are purchasing the goods in wholesale market. After that same goods they are selling in retail in Palampur village. And small general stores are there in Palampur village. In general stores, different things are available in Palampur, like grocery items, and everything is available in Palampur. Then milk items are available, some rice, these different items are available in Palampur. Means even general stores also available. In general stores, all the things are available. That basic things are available in Palampur. Even small clothes also available in general stores. The third one is shopkeepers of Palampur. And let us learn now about last one, fourth one, that is transportation. Transportation is the fast developing sector in Palampur. And Palampur have transportation attachment and transportation link with different towns and villages. And people who are living in Palampur, They are the rickshawalas, tongawalas, jeeps. They are maintaining jeeps, tractors, truckwalas, and some people are maintaining traditional bullock carts. They are maintaining the transportation service from Palampur to different cities and towns, Raiganj, etc. And here we'll take one example of Kishora. And Kishora has a bullock cart. Kishora has a bullock cart. With his bullock cart, he transports the goods. He transports the goods to different people. Okay, the goods like jaggery he is transporting to Raiganj and some other villages, and even he is collecting the clay from the lakes and the rivers, and that clay is transporting to the pottery people. Clay is transporting to the pottery people. Okay, children, these four are the four non-farm activities of Palampur. Once again, let us will discuss about the four non-farm activities of Palampur. The four non-farm activities of Palampur are dairy, small-scale manufacturing, transportation, and shopkeepers. Okay, next let us will see the conclusion of this chapter. This is the last part of this chapter. Mainly this chapter we had discussed about farming activities and non-farm activities of Palampur. Okay, you know that farming is the main activity of Palampur. This lesson, this chapter, we had discussed that farming is the main activity of Palampur. The factors of production also we discussed. Sorry. Factors of production are land, labor, physical capital, and human capital. After that, some non-farm activities also we discussed that non-farm activities are more important because these middle class farmers have little and no land. Those who are having little and no land, they are depending on non-farm activities. Okay, children, is it clear that this chapter we had discussed that farming activities and non-farming activities of Palampur. Okay, children, I hope that everybody understand the concept. This is the time to allot you some work. Today's assignment and today's work is explain the non-farm activities of Palampur. Once again, children, explain the non-farm activities of Palampur. Explain the non-farm activities of Palampur. The four non-farm activities you should write. Okay, children. We completed the chapter. Let us learn another chapter in next class. Okay, take care. Stay home safely. Take care of your health. Okay, children. Thank you. Bye. Take care.